for his significant impact on child and maternal health for marginalized populations. The 2022 John Dirks Canada Gairdner Global Health Award goes to Dr. Zulfiqar Bhutta. Dr. Bhutta is being awarded for his development and rigorous evaluation of evidence-based interventions, improving the first 1,000 days of life. Bhutta's work is the foundation of multiple international guidelines and provides the basis for nutritional interventions that inform global policy on maternal and child malnutrition. Bhutta has worked extensively in low-resource areas, using sustainable interventions that are available and affordable to disadvantaged populations. His investigations are foundational in the understanding of maternal and child health in rural, remote, and conflict-affected regions. Zulfi Bhutta and his team have helped improve the survival and outcomes of the most vulnerable women and children. Gairdner celebrates excellence, convenes leaders, and inspires the next generation. Learn more about Gairdner laureates and programs at gairdner.org.